Today I'm going to cook some chicken legs in my new air fryer. My daughter bought me this for watching the grandkids. It's a Gourmia 8-quart air fryer, and it's got glass in the front so you can see through, almost like a toaster oven that I use, so you can see through there. Came with a laminated cooking chart, time and temperatures. It doesn't have chicken legs on there, but it says chicken thighs bone in, 25 to 35 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, I cooked them a couple of times, the legs, and I cooked them at 450 degrees for 25 minutes, and it came out pretty good. So that's what I'm going to do with these. I'm going to season my chicken legs on both sides with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red, green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. Now this just pulls out like that, and we'll put the chicken right in the bottom there. I got 6 drumsticks, they should just fit. Alright, then this just slides in here like this. Okay, turns on. See if I can do this here. Alright, turns on. We want air fry. I'm going to use 450 degrees Fahrenheit and for 25 minutes. Now this preheats and then it tells you when to put the food in, but I'm just going to, run it through the preheat like that. I don't see why to bother stop and open it up. I'm just going to start it like that. So it'll preheat and then we'll start cooking for 25 minutes. Okay, this just shut off. Let's take a look. I didn't turn it over at all. I just let it cook. This preheats for 6 minutes before the cooking cycle starts. So they were in there 31 minutes total. And I didn't turn them over. Let's see what the bottom looks like. That looks good on the bottom. I think they look good that way. I'll let these cool off for a little bit. They have nice color to them. See what they look like here. Looks good on both sides. I like chicken legs fairly well cooked because I think the meat gets a little more tender. It's not as chewy and it pulls off the bone easier. So let's try that out. It's crispy, has good flavor. I like it. Let's see what Annie thinks. I'll give her a piece without much seasoning on it. There you go, Annie. I guess that's Annie approved. Well, that was simple. Set it and forget it. You can adjust the cooking time more or less depending on how you like them. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.